the chicken pox. She's been home from school all week. She is getting tired of lying in bed.
Alexandra, how are you feeling?
Like a Dalmatian. When are all these itchy spots going to go away? I'm so bored. Would you believe it? I actually want to go back to school.
Well, you're in luck. My friend Alice just dropped by with a folder of homework from your math teacher. How about working on some of these puzzles?
Sure, that would help you pass the time.
Alexandra opens the folder every week. Mrs. Stewart sent home math puzzles, and Alexandra loves to solve them. Now she looks over a page of magic squares. She skims a story problem about bees stealing part from a bakery. Finally, Alexandra turns to a dominoes activity and starts to read out loud.
The game of dominoes has 20 playing pieces called bones. Why bones? Bones, why bones? They don't look like bones. Maybe I'm not ready for math puzzles. Maybe I'll just close my eyes and rest for a little while.
Soon, Alex is sleeping. Alexandra is sleeping. She begins to dream. In her dream, a Dalmatian is running toward her. Greetings. Can I interest you in a math game, Alex?
Definitely. Math is my best subject in school. But wait a minute. How do you know my name?
You must want me to know it. This is your dream, after all. Let's play dominoes, shall we? The Dalmatian leads Alexandra to a table with 2 felt-tip markers, a red one and a green one. Take the red felt-tip marker. Draw a square around some of the dots. Then attach another square to it. You can have dots on the second square, but you don't have to. Each square must be the same size. See? Now you have a domino. The one who makes the last domino is the winner.
Like this? So the 2 squares join to make a rectangle.
Exactly. They play the game. So Dalmatian draws the last domino. Success. Well, I must be off.
Wait! Where are you going?
Sorry, I don't want to be late for a very important case. The dog vanishes. Alexandra finds herself alone. She smells something sweet and delicious. She follows the smell to a little shop with a sign that reads bakery. A woman behind a counter is shouting,
Cupcakes for sale! Delicious, scrumptious cupcakes for sale. 9 fine cupcakes for... May I have some cupcakes? I'm really hungry. I have been sick with the chicken pox all week. And I'm getting so tired of chicken noodle soup and applesauce.
do you have any money to buy the cupcakes?
No, but
I didn't think so. No money, no cupcakes.
cupcakes for sale. Marvelous, delectable cupcakes for sale. Wait! I've got a really cool trick to show you. If you like it, will you give me some cupcakes?
Maybe. Is it a very impressive trick? Alex arranges the baker's cupcakes in 3 rows of 3, forming a square.
You can be the judge of whether it's a good trick. Do you have a frosting tube?
Yes. Why, yes, but
May I use it for a moment?
young man, young lady, I know better than to give my sweet buttery cupcake frosting to...
I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to draw a number on each cupcake. Just watch. There now. Add up all the cupcakes. all of the numbers in the top row of cupcakes, what do you get?
Let's see. 8 plus 1 plus 6. That equals 15.
Excellent. Now add the numbers in the bottom row of cupcakes.
Very well. 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15 again.
Now try adding the numbers in the diagonal row of cupcakes starting the top left.
Is this a test? You know, I didn't become a baker because of mathematics quiz. I much prefer to bake bread and pastries.
Of course it's not a test. It's just a game. Come on, add the numbers.
Okay. 8 plus 5 plus 2 make... Wait a second. Wait. 15.
That's right. Add the numbers in any row, and they all will always make 15. This is called magic cupcake square. Did you like the trick well enough to let me have some cupcakes?
I must admit, it's clever. You may take 3 cupcakes.
How about 4?
5. I suppose you can take 4. Alexandra had never tasted such delicious cupcakes before.
If I tell you a good story, may I have the rest?
Stories are always entertaining. What kind of story is it?
It's a mystery. Listen carefully. Once upon a time, there were 2 thieves, and they were very, very hungry. They went to a bakery, and some strawberry tarts were sitting on the counter. The first thief stole half of the total number of the tarts, plus another half of tart. The second thief stole half of what the first thief stole, plus half a tart. Then there were no strawberry tarts left on the counter. How many tarts did the thief steal altogether?
That sounds so complicated that I wouldn't even know where to begin.
Don't be silly. Everyone always gets so nervous about math. Just start by making a guess.
I can just guess any number?
You have to start somewhere. Pick a number, but not a big of a number.
Okay then, my guess is 4.
Okay, now you work backwards or forwards from the answer to see if your guess is right. Remember, the first thief stole twice what the second thief stole, plus half a tart. Half of 4 is 2 plus 1/2 makes 2 1/2.
2 1/2. That's what he took.
But wait a second. The second thief stole took half of what the first thief stole, plus half a tart, plus half a tart. Half of 2 1/2 is 1 1/4. Plus half a tart would be 1 3/4. That would leave part of a tart on the counter that can't be the answer.
I give up. I'm going to sell my cupcakes.
No, wait! The answer is 5. I'll show you. The first thief stole half of the 5 tarts, plus half a tart. Half of 5 is
2 1/2.
plus half a strawberry tart makes
3. It's interesting that the thieves took the time to slice strawberry tarts in half.
Never mind that. The second thief stole half of 3 plus half a tart, which equals
2.
And 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 5 strawberry tarts. Can I eat the rest of the cupcakes now?
Very well. But now I have to get back to baking. Goodbye.
That was fun.
leans on the baker's counter and rests her forehead on her arms.
I want to go home. Where do you live?
At number 21 Pine Street.
Alex, you have a path to go home.
I do?
But by the way, who am I talking to?
I am Counter, and it's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So you're always counting?
Yes, indeed. I'm counting 24/7.
And you can take me home?
No, but I can show you how to play fascinating counting game.
How will a counting game help me?
You'll find it soon enough. But first, you must play the game.
All right, let's play.
Great. This counting game is called 21. The goal is to be the person who says 21.
How do I get to 21?
We take turns counting by ones and twos.
So if I say 1, 2,
I say 3,
4,
5, 6,
7, 8,
9,
10,
11, 12,
13, 14,
15,
16,
17, 18,
19.
20, 21. A victory for the counter.
Congratulations. But what's the secret?
You always want to enter a multiple of 3. Did you notice that I called out 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21? These numbers are all multiples of 3.
I get it. Let's play again.
The counter and Alexander plays 21 again. This time, Alexander wins.
21.
21 what?
What?
Are you feeling alright?
I feel great, like I just won a game.
Are you hungry? I just baked a batch of delicious chocolate fudge cupcakes.
Perfect. I could eat 9 of them.
You must be feeling better. Why don't you work on your math puzzles while I get you some cupcakes?
While her dad is gone, Alexandra finds a math riddle in her folder. She reads it over.
Here's your snack. What's on your worksheet?
A math riddle. It's sort of a poem, actually. Do you want to hear it?
Sure. You and I can work it out together.
The dotted dog, dreaming of dots on a dog. Dreaming often, my dear. I dreamt that if I counted the lot, how many dots would appear.
Well, line 1 tells you what the poem is about. Line 2 makes no sense. And line 3 and 4 give you the question.
So you're saying the answer has to be in line 2, because otherwise line 2 makes no sense.
That's what it looks like to me.
There must be a clue. In line 2 and dreaming, in line 2, there must be a clue in the line 2. And dreaming often, my dear, often of 10. And dreaming of 10. The answer must be 10.
Excellent puzzle solving, Alex.
I've had a lot of practice with number games today. I'm glad Elsie brought me